Hi, I'm Bart Taylor.
And I'm Matt Arndt.
Welcome to another do-it-yourself video. Today we will walk you through replacing an LED awning light strip on your camper. Whether you are looking to upgrade or just simply replace these items, you are in the right place.
Let's start with safety. There's nothing more important to us than your safety. And before we start, let's turn the power to the light off.
When using a ladder, yes, you will need to use a ladder to reach the light. Make sure the ladder is on stable, solid ground for your work. If needed, have a friend help you. Please be safe.
Let's go ahead and unroll the awning and remove the cover on the hardware to expose the wires. You may not need this step on some models.
Okay, we're going to remove the silicone sealant and pull the wires out of the wall. Now cut the two wires closer to the light strip itself and set it aside. We will use this later as a point of reference.
Now we'll slide the light out of the track. Now we'll measure the old light and cut the new light to correct length along the nearest cut line. After cutting, we recommend testing the light prior to sliding it into the track. Hate to do all that work just to have a bad light again. You can test by using a 9-volt battery or your RV's 12-volt battery. Solid red is positive and black is negative ground. Simply touch the wires to the positive and negative posts of the battery and verify all the LED lights are good. And now we'll slide the new light into the track. Next, we will prepare the wires for reconnecting.
First, strip the insulation back from the end of the wire about 5/16 of an inch.
Now that the wires are prepped, let's hook up the light. We will be using bell caps today. You can use butt connectors if desired.
Now let's attach the wires we referenced just a moment ago. We want to orient our wires the same as when we removed them. Feel free to look at the old light to match up the colors.
Now that your light is assembled, tuck the wires back inside the wall and reseal everything up the way you found it. Now attach the cover back to the awning hardware.
Excellent, nice work. Now let's test for operation by turning on the light.
Hey, we hope you found this video helpful, and if you have other suggestions, please leave us a comment below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more do-it-yourself content, and visit us at KeystoneRV.com or download the My Keystone mobile app. Thanks for watching, and camp better.